Hello, I'm Stephen Watson. This is Someday Farm. We're doing today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's for somebody practicing seated Tai Chi. Very often what people do is they have a sort of a kitchen table kind of chair and they practice in. Um, and that's fine. This one works really well with a bench, so no arms, no back, or an ottoman or something along those lines. Tree stump is how I would originally practice it. But the idea is generally in a chair, people will do their form, greatly modified, of course, but modified in terms of seating, but also modified in terms of directionality, because the chair kind of forces you to face a given direction when you have a back and an arm, or arms and a back. Whereas if you have a bench, um, you're a little bit more free. So practicing your seated Tai Chi Chuan, and when you need to change direction, practice good standing, good stepping, good sitting, and do the move that happens in this direction. In my case, my next move is back in the other direction. So good standing, so feet under the pelvis, good stepping, good sitting, and then the next move, right? So I'm really encouraging myself to practice standing and sitting and get different cardio out of it. And if you need to do this with a cane or something to help you up, that's perfectly reasonable. And you might also try doing it on a bench that is going to ask a little bit more out of you when it's time to change direction. So with every direction change, I'm practicing this way. So enjoy that, and please continue to help the art evolve. So read outside of the art, bring other skill sets, other expertises into the greater worldview of Tàijíquán. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the tips. They really helped me stay in business and stay alive. This last one, I'll show you ways to get in touch with me on my link tree. So appreciate all the support and shares. Thank you.